Hi friends! I wanted to drop in this morning and share something with you that I haven't done yet here on my YouTube channel. I just got my most recent Paper Issues scrapbook kit, and I thought that I would go through it with you and kind of make this a little bit of a scrapbook haul video. I do have another order coming from close to my heart. I placed it yesterday, so next week I should be getting another order, and then I think I'm going to go through that one with you as well, if you would like that. Let me know in the comments. I'm really excited about sharing this kit with you. I haven't gone through it yet, so this is going to be a total surprise to me, but the first thing that caught my eye before bringing it downstairs to my haven, which is my craft room, that's what I call my craft room, are these alphas right here. I can see that they are LE Studio. I love LE Studio and would like to order some more from them in the future. Right now, I'm kind of on a spending freeze, somewhat of one. I'm only allowing myself to replenish my supplies and not necessarily buy new product. Except for this, I splurged and let myself get one kit at least. We have some big changes coming up in our family, including a move. So I'm just trying to be careful with finances and just be good until we get moved. So that's where I'm at. So I wanted to show you my little itty bitty scrapbook haul. So when you open up your box from Paper Issues, you will always get a card. That's like a 3x4 card from Cassie. It has her contact information there, so you can follow her on Facebook or Instagram. And then of course go to the shop and stock up on goodies there. But it always has a snarky, really smart phrase quote on the front. This one is Halloween themed, so it's perfect for this time of year. I have another one on my desk here too, actually, that I've saved from my very first ever Paper Issues order. Obviously, it was a Christmas one, and it was Rollin' with My Gnomies. The gnomes are so super cute. And then the same on the back. So you will always get a card like this in your order. It always comes wrapped in really pretty houndstooth tissue paper with a red bow. It's super, super pretty. And then comes all together like this. Isn't that paper sweet? Oh, I can't wait to go through it. Okay, let's go through it. I like to try and keep my Paper Issues stuff together so that when I scrapbook with it in the future, I know what I'm playing with and what all came together, and so I don't mix things up. So if I blog or share a video with you, I can list in the comments exactly where it came from. You know, I'm getting down to business when I roll up my sleeves. So I have some fibers here, this really fantastic ribbon. It's so soft. And I think it's blue, or actually it's gray. The light down here is terrible, so I'm not really sure. It looks very bluish to me, but I think it's gray. I was gonna say this color is really on trend right now, but if it's gray, probably not. But neutrals are always great too. So there is that. There's some Jen Hadfield ephemera from the Avenue. And then on the back here, you can see all the pieces that are in it. I love florals. So this is right in my wheelhouse. I will definitely be using these in a lot of my layouts. I'm not gonna open up the packaging just to save on time, but you can see what is in the pack just by flipping it around. There's 50 pieces in it. So that's a good sized pack of ephemera. There's these super cute wood veneer. I love these little hearts that say love on them. Yeah, they all say love. So there's, I don't know, probably about 6 or so of those in there. And then some triangles, squares, rectangles, just different shapes. You can never go wrong with wood veneer. Now for these delicious puffy alphas. I wish I had these when I did that notebook themed layout that I did. I don't know if I shared that on YouTube. If I didn't, I'll leave the link to my blog down below. Or Instagram, because you'll find that layout in both places. I mimicked this whole idea right here with the lined paper and made it like a notebook sort of thing with the doodling all around the edges. You know how we did that when we were kids, when we were bored in class and stuff. These would have looked great on that layout. But I love them. They're going to be used probably a lot as well. Some more alphas. These are happy birthday alphabet stickers. I don't know who they're from. Made in Poland. So it's the company, I can't read. It's not in English, but they're beautiful blue with just a really light hint of a pattern. Almost like a paper. You know how paper just has, like cardstock has kind of ridges in it and stuff, the highlights and the lowlights and everything. That's sort of what it looks like, but it's blue. It's a beautiful color. So there's those alphas. Now we can get to the paper. So as you can see, it's a small kit, but it's perfect in every way. There are, I'm gonna say probably 12 sheets of cardstock. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I was close. So there's 11 sheets. They will all be double-sided. So we're beginning with the Jen Hadfield, the Avenue pattern paper. There's no name on that side. And then really pretty green on the flip side. I can see fussing, cutting this out, or even just using it as a panel somewhere on a layout. Maybe even the whole sheet, I don't know. It's beautiful anyways, I love it. I love that blue color. Oh, these houses. Oh, they're cute. This is also Jen Hadfield. Oh, from the Avenue. Oh, I see. My bad. I was looking in the wrong place. So this is Astor Ave. This is the paper from the Avenue. This is 7th Avenue. Oh, I love these buildings and the trees. I would fussy cut them all out. There's a little dog. Little moped, scooter. Oh, I just love these trees. I love trees too. I don't know, I have a thing for greenery. So yeah, a lot of these bicycles, a lot of these will be fussy cut out too. Probably all of them and used as embellishments. Oh, what a cute little mailbox. Super cute. What's the flip side? Oh, another really nice green. These feel very Christmassy to me. Wouldn't you agree? I love that tree border up there. I love that we can use the flip sides of the branding strip as borders in our crafting. That's pretty fab. So there's those. I love a plaid. You can never go wrong with a plaid. Doesn't matter what color it is. Bonus points in my books if it's black. Because black to me is just classic. I love this. I'm going to be hoarding it or probably ordering some more at some point in the future. Because this just makes my heart go pitter patter. There's a pretty butterfly pattern up at the top, and on the flip side, oh, this is pretty too. I could see this being colored. This is Flower Drive by Jen Hadfield. Oh, this is gorgeous, both sides. Yeah, I think I might need to order some more. I'm smitten. So there's that. This is really pretty too. And the branding strip again. It's a really kind of like a reddish orange sort of color. These two look great together actually. You flip it over. Oh, so pretty. More Jen Hadfield. This is Poppy Place. The colors are fantastic. I love the peachy and the sorbet almost kind of color together, and then the mustard yellow. Ah, pretty. And I love this. I might be hoarding this as well. And those little bumblebees are so cute. Oh, this is so sweet. Oh, I love it. This is Honeycomb Court by Jen Hadfield. I wonder if this is all Jen Hadfield paper. We will find out. Oh, how cute. This feels really elegant, really pretty to me. They almost look like cotton. Kind of a geometric pattern up here. Oh, this is upside down. This is Hazelwood by One Canoe 2. It's Far From the Far From Home collection. These would be great for fussy cutting as well. I like those clothespins and the keys too. The globe would be great for a lot of things. School layouts, traveling even. Okay, moving on. This is really pretty too. And on the flip side, oh, this is so sweet. More Jen Hadfield, Dahlia Drive. I would fussy cut these hearts out. They'd be really pretty layered in front of hearts that are just slightly bigger. Picnic in the Park, Amy Tangerine. I love these strawberries. Oh, how cute is that? Feels very summery. I wish it was still summer. Oh, how cute. This would be fantastic for picnic type layouts or playing in the park. And there's that strawberry border up at the top. I've done a few layouts with strawberries in them too, so maybe I'll have to do more in the future. More of this sorbet color. I just love this color. I love the color scheme. Polka dots, you can never go wrong with either, and stripes. I think my top 3 patterns that I love the most are polka dots, stripes, and then the plaid. Plaid gingham. That's what I meant. This one back here. You can never go wrong with those. On the flip side, another really pretty floral. This is Jen Hadfield as well. Lover's Lane. So pretty. I'm really digging the colors in that collection. So this now is, oh, cardstock. Alexandra Renke. I think I've never actually heard of this person or the company before, but it's a really light, neutral, sort of watercolored, really soft, really nice. So there's that. And then wood grain. Those houses up at the top are super cute. And on the flip side are these fantastic houses. I see these being colored in as well. This is another Jen Hadfield paper from the Avenue. This is 3rd Ave. So there you have it. That is my haul for October. Quite honestly, this is the first haul. Yes, this is the first haul I have made or placed since COVID. So that's like what, 7 or 8 months now? It's pretty impressive. I usually, before COVID hit, I was trying to make an order at least once a month. And then COVID hit and the world fell apart. So I kind of quit, and now things have changed for us, and I still have quit, but we have to splurge every once in a while. And this was my little splurge. So thanks for joining me. Join me again next week. I will have another order haul to share with you. I don't know if I mentioned earlier, but that one will be close to my heart. And it's going to mostly consist of cardstock, but there will be some ink and some other goodies in there as well, because I had some extra money to use up at close to my heart. So I was able to add some things that were on my wish list, which is pretty awesome. So stay tuned for that. Thanks for joining me, you guys. I hope to see you again. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and a like, and leave me a comment and let me know that you swung by. Thanks, guys. Bye.